All right, so just a quick how-to, quick update. This is the G-Craft grab handle for passengers. It obviously comes with two handles, 4 bolts, 4 spacer sleeves. I just slapped the one side on. It's the exact same thing, so I'm going to show you how I do this side. Just a quick how-to. Like I said, it's very straightforward. More of an update to what I got going on with my bike right now, where I'm at with my build. So I'm going to show you how to slap this on and just kind of show you where I'm at. Alright, so I'm at the left side of the bike. You're going to have these little plugs here. Just pop those out. You'll see your threads. I already had them out. As some of you might notice, I took my sub cage off. That's a whole thing. I'm very upset about it, but I'll explain kind of where I'm at with it, why I did that. Disclaimer, I do love that sub cage. So I have plans for it, but it's just not going to be on this bike. So when you put this on, this is the left side of the bike, as I said. G-Craft's going to be, let me see if you can see that. G-Craft is going to go towards the back. Now also you're going to have two spacers. So you got this one, it's got like a wider ridge here. And this one, it's got like a shorter one, more of like a longer, I guess, sleeve part. It goes into the plastic piece. So the one with the longer sleeve is going to go here in the front. And the one with the shorter sleeve part is actually going to go in the back. So I'm going to take this, place it in. Get your bolt that I'm not prepared with. Get a few threads. Get your other one. This sleeve goes towards the bike itself. Like this part is what goes inside. Put that there. Also, definitely put Loctite on these. Like 100% put Loctite on them. I didn't because I'm out. So when I get to work later, I'll probably pop these out one by one and Loctite them. I had a whole incident where I had my last part fall off. I didn't show that because I didn't finish the video, and now I probably never will. But I'll explain that probably at another time. And just tighten them down. And that's it. There you go, fully mounted up. Got this side too. I thought I ordered chrome. I'm pretty sure you can only get them in chrome and black. The black looks good. Normally I would go for the black, but it just kind of blends in a little too much. Regardless, I'm going to send them out to get powder coated over the winter. So a good question right now is why would I be running passenger handles when I have no passenger pegs? Solid question. I'm actually working on another video to explain that. I do have a plan for these. It's not for grab handles. I kind of like the look too also, because like I said, I took the sub cage off. I really love the sub cage. Like Solid Stunts is like, I think they have the nicest sub cages. Brad's a really cool guy. The thing, it looked great. It didn't block my light. It works phenomenally, even though I never actually hit the titanium block because I suck at wheelies like that. But still, I really liked it. But to be totally honest, if you just look at this bike, I ended up going a different route than what I originally planned. The sub cage just kind of doesn't fit the look. I was going for more of a stunt build with some performance. I ended up going full performance. And also I put a longer swing arm on. So the sub cage, aside from the little side peg parts, is essentially useless. Because if I do go full 12 o'clock, I'm not going to hit the titanium block and I'm still going to loop it. So I was using it, again, for the main purpose why I put these on. I just don't want to get too into that because I have a separate video explaining it. I'll probably be the one right after this because this was the last piece, I'm pretty sure, to where I can actually explain everything in full. So that's what I was using it for. I am going to end up putting it on this one. Only problem is that it's red and gold and this is blue and white. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I might sell that sub cage and then just buy another one from. I definitely wanted to go with the same one. Like I said, I really like that sub cage. So I'm either gonna sell that one and use the money to buy a blue and white one, or I'm just gonna powder coat it and buy different grip tape from them, like blue grip tape, and put that on. So either way, I had a video of putting the sub cage on, but the program I was using sucked and I can never get it to work. So I'll probably just make a new one once I have it on. I'll replace the light and everything too. So when I get the new one, I'll probably make a new video for that. But anyway, yeah, very simple install. Takes 2 seconds. They're good, they're solid. A little more tucked than I expected. Like I said, I'm gonna powder coat them anyway. I'll probably go with gold just so you get like a little bit of like a, so it stands out a little bit more. Like I said, the black kind of blends in. But yeah, you know, for what it's worth, definitely worth it. I think I got them off WeBike. I'll put a link in the description. So I'm gonna go finish up that other video I was telling you about to kind of explain everything. So I'll see you in that one.